liar! No way is that your name!
Why would I lie? Honest to God, that's my real name, Ken Takakura.
Ah, no! I don't want to hear it!
The curse! It's back! Hariba's Ayase! Use your power!
Let me gobble your tongue!
Thanks! That's so much better.
I'm making a new rule. You're never to say your name again.
Okay.
You like the occult, so your new name's Okarun.
Okarun?
If you use that other name, I'll kill you.
But that's my real name. Oh well. I guess I'm okay with it.
Sounds like you're more than okay with it, Okarun.
What? No, I hate it!
Prove it. Show me your face. I knew it! You look happy, Okarun. Ew! Don't you go farting at me! What kind of pig are you?
I can't help it! You're putting all this pressure on me!
Hang on a sec. It's morning already. Turbo Granny won't pop out now, I think.
Huh? Is that true?
Don't ghosts only come out at night? Okay, you're coming to my place. I mean, you look worse than a ghost. My grandma's super strict about boys in the house, so watch out. She almost killed my last boyfriend.
Huh? Wait, you're telling me now?